petty expenses, all these things they need to meet would mean, since as a dependent branch, they are receiving goods from head office, daily or frequently they need to make all these remittances to head office. Nowadays everything, say it is in banks and all, everything centralized. Therefore, that day itself you can deposit it in, say, bank account, immediately it will be credited. Or traditionally, sometime back, if you just take it up, once in 3 days or once in 2 days, immediately they need to remit the cash to head office. So goods they will be receiving only from head office, and whatever goods they have sold to customers, collection, immediately they will make it to head office. Since entire amount they are making it to head office as a remittance, they need to pay salary, they need to pay rent, or they need to incur some petty expenses, would mean they are not having any cash in their pocket, since everything is already given to head office. Head office will be separately sending a check to, say for example, in Ernakulam, this month they need to pay salary, rent, would mean they will send some email to us. Sir, this month we need to pay salary, this month we need to pay rent this much, totally 10,000 is the expenses. Please send some check, would mean we will send some check to Ernakulam from here 10,000. If it is a dependent branch, branch will be receiving goods mainly from head office. Normally, branch is not allowed to make any direct purchases or production. Normally. Sometimes head office may permit. See, you need to understand, dependent branches would mean if they receive goods from head office, it is a dependent branch. Suppose if they make own purchases, it is independent branch. It is not like that. It is not only one factor which will be deciding it is a dependent branch. So many factors are there. One by one we are discussing. If branch is dependent upon head office mainly for goods, we can call it as dependent branch. That means branch is not allowed to make any production or purchase of their own. Sometimes, exceptional case, head office may inform this branch, you make local purchases there itself. Don't ask me, we don't have stock, would mean. At the time it is permitted by head office to do so, so they are doing. That does not mean it is an independent branch. Are you able to understand? Okay, so normal rule is that head office only will send goods to branch. Exception may be there. Exception will not be taken as a rule. So the thing is that branch will be dependent upon head office mainly for goods. For meeting expenses, branch will be dependent upon head office. Head office will be sending check to branch for meeting the expenses. So we may call it as dependent branch. Moreover, say some time back at your home or some places in which even now, some time back, what is it our parents used to do would mean, your parents, they will wash their clothes as well as your clothes. Some time back, it should have been, your parents will wash their clothes as well as your clothes also. At least now, what is it we should do? We should take care of our clothes. Parents, they may take care of them. After some point of time, we should take care of us also for parents also. That is the cycle which we need to follow properly. But சிலபேர் இன்னுமே parents தான் depend பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. மிஷினை டிபெண்ட் பண்ணியிருந்தா கூட பரவாயில்ல. Parents, you should not struggle your parents. Understand that. Okay, listen. Okay, understand that. Sometime back, parents will take care of their work as well as your work. That we can call it as dependent branch. Head office will maintain books of accounts relating to head office operation as well as branch operation. Branch won't maintain any separate books of accounts. Possibly it may have some slips of papers or say some small notebooks to record the collections or payments whatever they have made. They will not maintain any complete books of accounts. Branch will not maintain complete books of accounts. All the books of accounts will be maintained only by head office. In Chennai, we are maintaining, say, Chennai operations, Sriramkuchingman Chennai operations also, here only we are maintaining. In Ernakulam, say, operations also, here only we are maintaining. Bangalore operations also, here only we are maintaining, would mean we can call it as dependent branch. Are you able to understand what we are telling? So, to summarize, why it is called as dependent branch would mean, this branch will mainly depend upon head office for goods as well as for cash. Goods for the purpose of sale, cash for meeting expenses. And amount collected by the branch has to be remitted to head office frequently. I say that depends upon the policy of the organization, either daily or once in a week or once in 3 days. That depends upon the instruction given by head office. Branch will not maintain any cash balance with them normally. Everything will be remitted to head office. Then branch won't maintain any separate set of books of accounts. Everything will be done only by head office. Head office will do their work plus branch work. These type of problems we are going to solve. That is why we are giving some example. Head office will do their work plus branch work. All these things collectively indicates it is a dependent branch. Are able to understand? Say in a problem they are giving information this way. Head office sends checks to branch for meeting expenses, and head office is maintaining books of accounts on behalf of branch. Head office only sending goods to branch, but branch is having some direct purchases. Can we call it as independent branch? No, say one information does not conclude this is a independent branch or dependent branch. It all depends upon so many factors. Collectively we need to understand whether it is dependent or independent. So what are the factors which may decide it is a dependent branch or independent branch would mean? Number one, while doing problem, these are all the factors. So many other factors are also there, but academically these are all the things we need to take into consideration. Branch depends upon head office mainly for goods and cash. Number two, branch has to remit the collection frequently, either it may be daily or once in a week, etc. Depends upon the instruction given by head office. They will not maintain normally any balance. Normally. Number three, books of accounts will be maintained only by head office, not by branch. All these things collectively indicates everything is taken care of only by head office. Branch simply acts like a sales depot. That we can call it as dependent branches. It is like we are dependent on our parents. Daddy, give me 5 rupees. Daddy, give me 10 rupees. Okay. Then what is independent branch then? After qualification, every month you are earning 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs per month. Is it enough? Basic salary. Patada. Basic salary 3 lakhs. How much you want? 10 lakhs per month. Assume you are getting, say, some salary. And will you be asking your daddy after, say, getting salary, after joining your, say, profession, business, etc. Daily, daddy, give me 10 rupees, I need to go to this place. Daddy, give me 100 rupees, I want to go for Mangata. Will you be asking? No. Okay, listen. After you start earning